Spalling or chipping of concrete steps happens when its surface starts flaking or breaking off, usually due to exposure to freeze-thaw cycles or the use of de-icing chemicals. Steps to repair chipping of concrete steps.
Step 1.
Start by cleaning the surface of the concrete steps using a wire brush to remove any loose concrete debris or dirt. Use a damp cloth to wipe down the steps once done.
Step 2.
Mix the concrete resurfacer according to the instructions on the package. Typically, you'll need to add water and stir until the mixture has a smooth consistency. Step 3. Apply a thin layer of the resurfacer onto the damaged areas of the steps using a trowel. Make sure to spread the resurfacer evenly and blend it with the surrounding concrete surface. Wait for the resurfacer to dry completely before applying a second layer if needed. Repeat this process until the damaged areas are level with the surface of the steps. Step 4. Use a wire brush to roughen the surface of the resurfacer slightly.
Step 5.
Apply a concrete bonding adhesive onto the roughened surface using a putty knife. This will help the concrete patching compound to adhere better to the surface. Step 6. Mix the concrete patching compound according to the instructions on the package. Apply the patching compound onto the damaged areas using a putty knife. Make sure to push the compound deep into any cracks or chipped areas. Wait for the patching compound to dry completely before sanding down the surface to a smooth finish. Step 7. Apply a concrete sealer to the repaired areas of the steps once they are fully dry, as per the manufacturer's instructions. Step 8. Finishing the corners. When the chipping is at the corner, you can seek the help of formwork to make more perfect corners. Follow for more related videos on construction and civil engineering.